Good evening, students. I hope you all are safe at home. So stay home, stay safe. Welcome to the Abacus classes. Abacus Maths, making your child count. In previous video, we have studied about the parts of abacus: frame, lower beads, upper beads, rod and beam. Today, we will do a quick revision of the previous thing. As students, you can see in front of me abacus tool is there. So today, first of all, we will do a quick revision of the things which we have studied last time. So students, what we have studied? First of all, we have studied to how to set your abacus. Upper beads up and lower beads down, and you can do like this also. Now, see what I have told you. There are 5 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The mid dot. This is your units rod. Besides the units rod is the tens rod, and besides the tens rod is hundreds rod. In our last video, I have told you the value of these beads. As the units rod, the upper bead is 5. This upper bead is 5, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Again I am repeating, in the units rod the upper bead is 5 and the lower one is 1, 2, 3, 4. The value of lower one is 1, 2, 3, 4. Last time we have done the calculations in this rod only, units rod, lower beads. Now the tens rod, just besides the unit rod is the tens rod. The upper bead of tens rod is 50, and the lower one is 10, 20, 30, 40. Again I am repeating, in the tens rod the upper bead value is 50 and the lower bead value is 10, 20, 30, 40. Now we will go besides to the hundreds rod. In hundreds rod the upper bead value is 500 and the lower one is 100, 200, 300, 400. First of all, you just have to concentrate on the units rod and tens rod, because we will do the calculations in these two rods only. Last time I have not taken this upper bead. This time also we will not go to the upper beads. First of all, we will do the calculations in these lower beads only. This and this. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 and this is 10, 20, 30, 40. So students, now we will go to our today's topic. So our today's topic is sums in tens and units rod, lower beads. Now first of all, we will do a quick revision of value of units rod. As I have told you earlier that the upper bead value is 5 and the lower bead is 1. Now value in tens rod. Tens rod, the upper bead value is 50 and the lower bead's value is 10. Now we will go to our topic, sum in units and tens rod, lower beads. So let's start doing practically. Students, as you can see in front of you, one abacus tool is there and 4 sums I have written on this paper. So let's start. First of all, I will tell you that our today's topic is sums in units rod and tens rod in lower beads. Means we only have to use the lower beads. We don't have to use these upper beads. The upper beads we will take afterwards in our next topics. Today we will only use the units rod and tens rod lower beads like 1, 2, 3, 4 and 10, 20, 30, 40. So let's start. As you can see in our first question, the first number is 14. For 14, 14 means 1 and 4. So this 1 you have to do in tens rod and 4 will go in units rod. Again I am repeating, this is 14. How you have to write 14 in abacus tool? See, 1 will go in tens rod and 4 will go in units rod. As you can get it by like this, first number in first rod, second number in second rod. Now see, your next is minus 4. Your next number is minus 4. So minus 4, you have to minus. For minus, I have told you, for minus you have to put the beads down. For add, up. For minus, down. Up, down, up, down. If you want to add, you have to do the beads up. And if you have to minus or subtract, you have to put the beads down. So here is minus 4, means you have to put the beads down. So 1, 2, 3, 4. See, now you have to add 2. Use your thumb to add the number. 1, 2. Now again you have to add 2. 1, 2. So see students, what is your answer? Here is 1 and here is 4. 1, 4, or you can say this is 10 and this is 4. 10 and 4, it is 14. Now students, we will go to our next question. For next question, we have to set our abacus again. Lower beads down and upper beads up. Now see our first question. 34. 34 means 30 and 4. As you can see, the first number in the first rod, 4 in units rod, and then 3 in tens rod. Again I am repeating, 34. 34 means 4 in units rod, 3 in tens rod. And you can also see that 10, 20, 30 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This means 34. You can do like this also. Now minus 1. Minus 1, you have to minus with your this finger. Minus 1 means put the beads down. So 1. Then minus 2. 1, 2. Then again I am adding 2. This is plus 2. So 1, 2. Now you can see students, what is your answer? The answer is 3 in units rod and 3 in tens rod. Or you can say 10, 20, 30 and 1, 2, 3. So answer is 33. Listen students, you should learn the value of these beads. Some students will get confused that why ma'am is saying it 10, 20 and why ma'am is saying it 1, 2, 3, 4. But you have to learn it that lower beads of units rods has the value 1, 2, 3, 4 and tens rod has the value 10, 20, 30, 40. जो lower beads होती है उसकी एक बीट की वैल्यू 1 होती है, बट जो टेंस रॉड होती है उसकी एक बीट की वैल्यू 10 होती है. लोअर बीट की एक बीट की वैल्यू 1, बट टेंस रॉड में एक बीट की वैल्यू 10. Understanding the difference? Okay, now set your abacus again. You have to learn this, that lower beat value is 1 and tens rod value is 10. Now the next question, third one. As number is 44, you can do like this: 10, 20, 30, 40 and 1, 2, 3, 4. You can do like this also, 44. And one more method, 4, first number is 4, so 4 in first rod, 1, 2, 3, 4. And next number is again 4, so 4 in second rod. You can do like this also. Now next is minus 3. 3 you will do in units rod. So 1, 2, 3. For minus you have to put the beads down. Then 1, add. For add, up. 1. Then again add 2. 1, 2. So what is the answer? 10, 20, 30, 40 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 44. And you can also see this 4 and 4. 2 4s are there. Now over next question 12. Set your abacus again. Lower beads down, upper beads up. Number is 12. The 2 in first rod and 1 in next rod. And you can say 12 means 10 and 2. See, this is the beat 10 and this is the beat 10 and this is 1 2. So 10 and 2 12. 10 11 12. Now you have to add 1. Add 1. Now again you have to do minus 3. 1 2 3. And then you have to add 4. 1 2 3 4. Now what is the answer? See, 1 in tens rod and 4 in units rod. 1 and 4 14. And you can say like this also, that this is 10 and this is 4. So 10 and 4 14. Students, you will get it more when you will practice it at home. Please practice the given sums at home in the abacus tool. As I always says you, the more you practice, the better the results are. So please practice at home. Thank you.